You are drowning in thick black mud. You wake up choking on it. This fog is not a mood. It is heavy, rotting sludge filling your veins. You drink caffeine just to breathe. I see your exhaustion. I see your heavy bones. Listen to me now. I hold the eternal override to this poison. Modern experts lie to you. They tell you to find your spark. They tell you to rest and practice self-care. This is a trap. You are not tired from working hard. You are drowning in the mud of your own inaction. Waiting for motivation is poison. You think watching a video will cure the sludge. It just adds more dirt to the swamp. Coffee is a fake cure. It shocks your heart, but leaves the mud inside. Caffeine cannot purge rotting energy. It only makes the sludge vibrate. You chase dopamine hits to feel alive. This sinks you deeper into the swamp. You are trapped in a loop. Sleep, panic, drink poison, fail, repeat. The modern cures are making you sick. They feed the heavy mud. They keep you weak. They keep you soft. Stop waiting for the mud to clear itself. It will not. Listen to the ancient truth. We call this dark, heavy energy Tamas. Tamas is the mode of ignorance. Think of it as a thick, blinding mud. It is a literal physical infection. It breeds and spreads in stillness. You are infected right now. You cannot think your way out of a physical infection. You cannot wish away the mud. You must violently purge it. You must use Abhyasa. Abhyasa is relentless, aggressive practice. It means choosing intense, mechanical friction. It means taking violent action. If you feel the mud, then you move hard. This is your new rule. If you wake up heavy, then you attack. You do not negotiate with the sludge. The mud wants you to stay in bed. The mud wants you to think. Thinking is the enemy right now. Your brain is infected. Do not trust your thoughts. Action creates heat. Heat dries up the mud. Heat burns the infection. You must shock your system. You want a soft path out. There is no soft path. The battlefield demands blood and sweat. You must wage war on the Tamas. Treat the fog as an invading force. It is stealing your life force. It is turning you into a ghost. You cannot wait for inspiration to strike. Inspiration is a myth for the weak. Mechanics are real. Physics are real. Friction creates fire. You must create friction. You must force the body to move against the resistance. Do not rely on panic anymore. Panic is cheap, dirty fuel. It burns out fast and leaves ash. Discipline is cold, hard steel. You must forge this steel daily. Every time you obey the mud, it grows thicker and heavier. Every time you choose friction, you burn a hole through it. The cure is deliberate pain. The cure is raw, mechanical effort. You must become a relentless machine. A machine does not feel unmotivated. A machine simply executes the command given to it. I am giving you the command right now. Purge the heavy dark mud. Burn it out with constant friction. Do it until the blood runs clean. You will not stop until you win. Here is your exact protocol for today. You will not wait for tomorrow. You will shock the mud out of your system immediately. Drop to the floor right now. Give me 50 push-ups. Do not count them slowly. Explode upward. Force your chest to the ground. If you fail at 20, drop to your knees and finish. The physical friction will break the mud. Next, you will walk to the shower. Turn the water to absolute cold. Stand under it for 3 brutal minutes. Do not shiver and hide. Breathe deep and let the cold shock your infected veins. The cold will burn away the heavy fog. It will rip the sludge from your mind. Put on your clothes. Walk out your front door. Sprint for 60 seconds down the street. Sprint until your lungs burn. The fire in your lungs will kill the darkness. You are flushing the poison from your blood. You are choosing aggressive action over decay. Do this exact sequence today. Do not think about it. Just move your flesh and break the inertia. Burn out the mud completely. Your comfort zone is a rotting grave. You must fight the mud daily to stay alive. Do not surrender. Subscribe now to install the next protocol. Obey these commands and claim your absolute system stability. Silence the noise. Achieve total mental focus. Execute the order. Shanti.